Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue our drawing. Okay, let's see. Where were we last time? Okay, let's see. So we started to draw again some interesting shapes. So first we drew a square spiral, which is something like this. And then, yeah, the point is you go a little to the left in this example, and then turn left, and go a little longer, turn left, a little even longer, and continue this. And this way you can draw square spiral like this. And then we learned how to paint them, use different colors for lines. And then, okay, the homework was try to draw hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. Okay, let's quickly see them. So open E3, was it? Okay, E3 and connect and execute the first cell, pip install, import, and then, yeah, right, maybe we will reuse the code, okay? If you want to keep this, you can copy this and paste it in another box, okay? So let's see, basically, if we want to change it to, yeah, it was pentagon, so to hexagon, maybe what we need to do is, right, change it here. So so that to generalize it better, maybe we can use number of sides. So side n equals, okay, this. So let's check first whether this is good enough. Okay, we should change it to side n. Maybe we can draw pentagon in different colors. Okay, so now we check that it works fine. We will change this variable to 6. Okay, instead of 5. So this will be I hope. Okay, a little bigger one. Yeah, maybe hexagon spiral. Okay, good. So it's simple. To see the other variations, maybe draw it a little fast. So, and 7 for heptagon. A little too spacey. Maybe we can change this one to 3 instead of 5, and then change it to 8. And maybe we can increase it to 50 times so that we draw more. So you can try yourself many variations if you like. Okay, hope you like it. Okay, or use more colors by adding here pink. And because it has len cows here, you don't need to change any other thing. Beautiful. Okay, fine. Very colorful drawing. Okay, let's go on to today's work. Draw in a circle with square. What do you mean by that? Draw a circle with small squares. It's like this. Okay, then we'll think about how to do this. Stop the video and think. And if you want, you can try yourself how to draw this. So, were you successful? I hope you are. Okay. How to draw a kind of circle with 4 squares. Start from center, draw a square, return to center, and turn. This is maybe a good way because it's kind of difficult to go from here to here, here. So we start from here, go this way, draw a square, go back, turn left, do the same thing and repeat it. Okay, let's try that. So again, we copy this. Okay. And point n is n. Okay. Before that, we need to define square first. Okay, def square size. Okay, so it's like the forward by size, turn left by 90, and continue this 4 times. Okay, sorry, I didn't write it. For I in range 4. And select here and tab so that it will be correctly indented. So let's see, before going on, let's check whether this is good enough. So square, say 30. Okay, it will draw a square at the center. Well, so, okay, let's forget about this. And let's try. So the main idea is, you remember where we are? In the center. Okay, so maybe we will remember the center pose as, okay, we will write t pose. So this will write the coordinate of the center point. It's maybe move away. Go to 50-50. So ask the turtle to go away. So it's 425. So okay, we can put this to center pose. Okay, and then this way we can remember the center position. And then the point is move to forward by say 100 and draw a square, say of size 30, and go back to the center pose. This is interesting. Okay, and turn left by 90. I think this is good enough for 1 unit. And repeat this 4 times. So we use, yeah, we can use I, but can we use J this time? Range 4. And we will indent it. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. So maybe we don't need. So, okay. What do you think? It's very close to good result. So the point is we don't need this, right? We don't need the line. So what should we do? Yeah, you know it. Yeah, we should pen up and pen down. You should use pen up and pen down correctly. So maybe before drawing, we pen up. We can, yeah, you know, up is shorthand for pen up. And before drawing a square, pen down. And after that, pen up. How about this? Okay, let's try this. Yeah, this is exactly what we wanted. Good enough. Okay. So we did this. Start from center, draw a square. Yeah, go 100, draw a square, return, and turn 90 degrees, and repeat this 4 times. Exactly. Right? You should see this. Start from center, go by 100, pen down, draw a square, pen up, go back to center, and turn left by 90. Okay, good enough. How about with 5 or 6 squares? Okay, try this. Okay, so maybe now we have this one. Maybe we use this here because we want it 4 times. And then, yeah, this degree should be changed, right? This is 90 because we want to, we divided 360 by 4. So maybe what we want is 360 over point n. And let's try with this new version with using point n. If it's good enough, it's good enough. So maybe we can change this to, what's next? 5 to see if good. Now we have 5 squares in a line, circle shape. Good. And then about 6. Good. A little strangely aligned, but it's good enough. Okay. So basically that's all for today. Now it's an interesting way to draw line up shapes in a circle shape. Okay. Homework. Draw a circle like this with 8 triangles. Okay, I'm sure you can do this. Try yourself and be sure to come back next time. Bye-bye.